The key to a long-lasting home and appliances is proper maintenance and cleaning. If you're using these last few days of May to wrap up our spring cleaning, Aaron with Dryer Vent Wizard is here with some advice on how they can help keep your home safe and efficient. Good morning, Aaron.
Hey, good morning, Krista. Thanks for having me.
So it's the unofficial start of summer, which means we got to get wrapping up on that spring cleaning. Why is now the perfect time to maybe get your vents checked out?
Well, it still is spring, and as we roll into this, dads and grad season, a lot of people have guests at home, and a lot of guests means a lot of laundry.
Yeah.
And when you're doing that laundry, you want to make sure that your appliances and your dryer vents are clean and up to speed. Saves you time, saves you money, but more importantly, keeps you safe.
Keeps you safe because is it true that a clogged vent can actually be a fire hazard?
It is. It's one of the #1 leading causes, short of Christmas trees, I think, of fires in the home. A lot of people realize you got to clean out that vent in the front of the dryer, but they don't realize it's a whole system that traps lint. And if it's not inspected and cleaned on a regular basis, it can create a significant fire hazard.
And when it comes to like maybe some new build homes or you're moving into homes, I heard a lot of kind of sad rumors that sometimes everything is not up to code when it comes to that sort of stuff. What is your advice on that?
Yeah, it's absolutely true. Here in Colorado Springs in particular, the code changed in 2006.
Oh.
And for safety reasons. And so a lot of folks, they have no idea that things have been upgraded and they go about their life. If you buy a new home, even if it's a new build, it's best to have the system inspected. A lot of time home inspectors don't necessarily catch it. If you don't run a camera through the system and really see what's going on in there, you don't know.
You gotta get invasive.
You do. The dryer vents are, it's a system hidden in the walls, the ceiling, the attic. Most of the homes here, it vents through the roof.
Yeah.
People just don't know. It's unseen, and they just keep running the dryer and they wonder why their clothes don't dry.
Aaron, I'm sure you've seen some crazy buildups in those vents.
We have. You'd be amazed by what we've seen right here in Colorado Springs in dryer vents. We've seen everything from phone chargers to gloves to money.
And these are things that people just leaving in their pockets and stuff?
They leave in their pockets. I think sometimes the little kids will drop stuff in there.
Play hide and go seek in those
vents. We have a whole jar of, I should have brought it in. I didn't bring our props today. We have a whole jar of things we found in dryer vents.
Oh my gosh.
It's pretty amazing. Birds' nests, rodents.
Yeah. So it is important to get these things checked out and cleaned.
Absolutely. A lot of it is saving in time. If your dryer is taking more than one cycle to dry your clothes, especially in our dry climate here in Colorado,
I didn't think about that.
It's probably not running right.
Do you have any specials or discounts going on right now you want to talk about?
Absolutely. So it's the end of the Military Appreciation Month, and for our veterans and first responders, we always have a 10% discount for them. But for anybody who sees us on Living Loving Local, we'll give a 15% discount for them. Just say you saw us with Krista on the show, and we'll honor that discount for you.
Okay, so if people want to take advantage of that discount, how do they book with Dryer Vent Wizard?
So the easiest thing to do is to give us a call at 719-822-2828. We'll answer 24/7, or just Google dryerventwizard.com and you'll find us right there.
And it's not a bad idea just to get you guys scheduled out there just to come take a look with whatever could happen. You could save yourself from a fire, get your clothes drying sooner, getting out of those chargers out of those vents.
and our lead tech, our ops manager, Andrew, he's amazing. He's got a 5-star Google review across the board. He is phenomenal. He'll take care of you, explain everything before beginning any work, give you an absolute cost. There's no surprise at the end. He'll tell you exactly what it's going to cost right up front, and he'll take care of you.
Transparency goes a long way, Aaron. I like it. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks, Krista. Appreciate it. Hope everybody has a great holiday weekend.
Absolutely. And to take advantage of that 15%, make sure when you call, you mention you saw him on Loving Living Local, and you can get that cleaning booked, and you can get that 15% off with the Dryer Vent Wizard. Get fire hazards out, clothes are cleaner, vents are cleaner, all the good things. Can't go wrong, can you, Aaron?
Absolutely not.
All right, we'd also like to thank them for sponsoring this segment.